be real. Most people today are broke, burned out, and scrolling for hope. You work 9 to 5, come home tired, and still dream of freedom. But deep down, you're scared that maybe you'll never escape this cycle. What if I told you that in 2026, people are building 6- and 7-figure online businesses from their laptops with the help of AI? And the crazy part? Most of them started exactly where you are right now. So AI's not just stealing jobs, it's helping people get rich? Yep. Welcome to the plot twist of this decade. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you 3 business ideas that could change your entire life if you take action before everyone else does. Right now, businesses are desperate to automate tasks, customer emails, content, data entry, you name it. You can build an AI automation service, helping small businesses save time and money using tools like ChatGPT or Zapier. And here's the best part. You don't need to code, just know how to connect tools smartly. People are charging $2,000 plus per client for this. Imagine signing just 5 clients. That's a full-time income made from your laptop. The internet runs on content, and AI is the new printing press. Start a faceless YouTube channel, TikTok page, or blog powered by AI tools for research, video editing, and storytelling. The real trick. Focus on a money niche: finance, health, tech, or motivation. You can grow fast, monetize with digital products or sponsorships. No, you don't need a perfect voice. Half of viral channels never show their faces or even speak. Most people never start because they think they're too late. But the truth is, the AI wave is just beginning. Create and sell AI-generated templates, ebooks, or business tools. People are paying $30 to $100 per download for things that take minutes to make. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Notion are goldmines if you know what problems to solve. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're still in bed. That's not a dream, it's automation and smart work combined. You see, the real difference between those who win and those who stay stuck isn't luck or money, it's timing and action. AI is leveling the playing field. You can either watch others build businesses or start building yours today. Because here's the truth, the opportunity of a lifetime usually looks scary, complicated, or too good to be true. But so did every major revolution before it. If you're ready to see how to earn using Nano Banana, one of the easiest AI income tools right now, click the video on your screen. That's your next step toward financial freedom. Make money with me, because your dream life won't wait.